Many thanks, Excellencies, dear colleagues. My name is James Rockall. I represent the World Liquid Gas Association, which is essentially the LPG industry. LPG has been talked about a lot today, and I think we all agree that LPG is probably going to be doing the lion's share of reaching universal access to clean cooking in Africa in the coming decade or 2 decades. My organization represents more than 300 companies operating in 125 countries around the world in LPG. So I think it's fair to say that we know the business, we know what we're talking about. We know that LPG works. We know it will be the single largest contributor to solving the problem. And I will say that the LPG sector is ready to invest at scale. We know what works. We've had the fantastic example from India. We've had this super example from Brazil. But we also recognize that the African continent will require an innovation in the way we do business. We have pay-as-you-go models. We have smart cylinders. We do need to innovate. But we can only move as fast as the enabling environment allows us. And I'd like to thank the representative from France for putting his finger exactly on the issue. We need the right policy environment. We need the enabling environment. The barrier is not technology. The barrier is certainly not supply. We hear about the last mile. It's very important to get the last mile right, but if we don't have the first mile, we won't have the last mile. So investment in infrastructure is critical. And what holds us back on investment in infrastructure is often things like, it's non-financial issues, it's things like permits that slow us down. We need regulation that creates trust, that reduces risk, and improves the investment attractiveness. We also need to make sure that finance treats LPG on equal footing with other clean cooking solutions, and that is not the case right now. If we can align our policy, our regulation, and finance, I think we can move millions of households to clean cooking within the next decade, not by 2040. So I'd leave you by saying that the industry is ready to deliver, and I look forward to progress on this issue by the time we meet together in Nairobi. Thank you.
Thank you very much.